Welcome to Elicia Oh So Fly. Thank you for taking the time to tune in. I truly appreciate it. Yes, welcome back again. Yes, if this is your first time watching, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Yes, all right. So today we are back with another wig review. Now, this wig that I have on is a wig review. I've done this in a wig review about 3 years ago, and I believe this one was the Bobbi Boss wig. Let me see. Okay, so this one is, I don't have the stock card for it, but this one is the Bobbi Boss 13/4 hand-tied twist lace wig, and I have her in the color it's TTVVORC, and the name of it is the MLF 222 Sylvanna, and this is right here where you can see, and this is the front of the box. So yes, I will put this in the link below. So yes, so make sure you be looking out for it. Yes. Now today I'm coming to you with the wig review on the Melted Hairline Casella, I believe. Now this is the stock card right here, and this one is very pretty. I saw this in a couple of reviews, and it comes in a couple of colors. But first, now this is Casella, and the color that I have her in is DRFF2 Fudge Sunday. She is a 22-inch wig, and she comes, like I said, in a variety of colors. This is a glueless pre-attached elastic band. This comes with let's see, it says this is a frontal effect. This is a frontal effect hairline. It says no plucking required. Okay, so we're gonna see today. But yeah, so let me show you the wig. Now, this is the color that I have her in. This is the wig right here. This is gorgeous, and like I said, it says this is DRFF Fudge Sunday. This is gorgeous. Yes. Yep. So, and here is the top of the wig right here. And let me show you the inside of the lace. Here's the elastic band. And here is, right here, we have one, let's see, I believe 2 and 3 combs. Yep. And here's the lace up here. All right. And it says that she is 22 inches long. It's kind of like, it's definitely layered for sure. But this hair color, this looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it. Hold on. All right. my thoughts on the wig. This wig right here is beautiful. The texture on this hair, it is great. The colors, I'm definitely loving it. Now, she is big head friendly, and like I said, she comes with the 3 combs and the adjustable straps with the elastic band as well, so you're going to be very secure. Now, the things that I did to this wig was only added my liquid foundation, and then I added a little powder on top for the parting, as you can see. Now, I did cut the lace off camera, but I did come on the camera as I was putting the wig on and then cut it as well. Now, when I will wear this out, when I do wear this out in public, I will probably put a little bit of Got To Be glued right here. I know that this is a glueless wig, but I probably will just put a little bit maybe right in here just to hold it down, and maybe on the tabs right here. Other than that, this wig, it is gorgeous. Now, it states that this is a heat resistant fiber. It's a high-tex, and it is safe up to 400 degrees. As you see in the video, I did use my comb just to take some of this down, and I also used my Care wax sticks just to take some of those like flyaways up at the top, because it was kind of like stringy. Now, it does shed, and I know in the video you seen like when I went to brush, a lot of hair came out, and that was right here. And that was because I cut the ear tab thing off around here because it was too long over my ear still, so I had to go around to cut it. So that took a lot off, but not a lot, but you know, it took some off. But other than that, but yes, this does shed, but this is a beautiful wig. And to me, for me, this can be a pop on and go. After you cut the lace and do everything you need to, hey, this is what it is. And it says it comes 22 inches. Now, this is the length on me right here. I'm gonna turn around in the back just so you can see. That's the length on me. So, and I'm 4'11", so yes. But this wig right here, this is really gorgeous. The color, everything. This is making me feel like, hey, I am the CEO of the business. I am here to state the facts. I am not playing any games. Yes, that's what this wig makes. That's what this wig makes me feel like. I'm talking on my words because I'm so anxious and happy. But yes, but this right here, it is a banger. I believe I got this on, I believe I got it from Sam's Beauty. I would put the link to her in the description box below. But let me know what you think about this wig, and if you've already got one. I've seen several reviews on this wig, and they all look beautiful on each and every person. But yes, this is one. I think this is a must-have. I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and get another one, and like I say, it comes in a variety of colors. Now, this pink one, I'm kind of thinking of that pink one, but I don't know, but we're gonna see. But yes, this one right here, go ahead, when you get a chance, go ahead and get you one and let me know what you think. But yes, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.